Hello, this is Souzan Davood Group, and we specialize on homes that they've been on the market previously and did not successfully sell. In 20 plus years, we have helped many clients just like yourself, bringing the willing and ready buyer. One of the ways we've been successful is because we keep our pulse on the market. We make a conscious decision to look at preview every home that comes on the market. We also believe strongly that every home has a story. And as a seasoned agent, we convey the best story of your home to the willing and ready buyer. So that has been my success, helping a lot of clients. Christine, what has been your success?
To go off of that point, we've actually been super successful with direct marketing. So whereas other agents will just post to MLS and pray that the house sells, we go beyond MLS. We look for unique characteristics in the property, like you mentioned. So for example, we had a home with a heated garage that had been on the market for over a year. We came in, took over the listing, and started advertising directly to car collectors, and we found the perfect buyer that fit right into this home with the heated garage. So that's been super successful for us.
Thank you. Barry.
Yeah, so we've been very successful in going into these expired listings and really becoming the expired listing detective in really analyzing the property and the marketing that took place and determine some weaknesses why that particular home didn't sell. And then we reposition the home on the market to draw folks, buyers in that would be a better match for that particular home. We also might restage a home, even recommend repainting a home or landscaping. We're trying to change the home to appeal to a broader audience. And we've been very successful doing that very thing.
Thank you, Barry. Michael, you.
Yeah. On top of digging deeper into the properties, our team's motto is open communication. That's our glue. Actually listening to your needs. We are dedicated and focused on you and your property. And in tandem with our global exposure, local market engagement, and extensive education, I am certain we will effectively find your targeted buyer and close the deal for you.
Absolutely. Thank you, folks, for bringing your experience. And Michael, to what you said, communication is huge because this process is not about us. This is about you as our client. And open communication has also led us to a successful sale. Well, thanks to our experts. And we look forward to servicing your real estate needs. Please follow us on Instagram with any questions that you might have. Take care, be well, be safe.
Bye-bye.